Okay, this is our last subject for today. So let's have our music. For our music, we're going to learn about melodic contour. It is the overall direction or movement of the tones. It is direction of melodies in a pattern that may move upward, downward, okay, or remain in the same place. Melodic contour can be illustrated through body movements, writing the melodic line in the air, and by line notation. And the example that I'm going to show you is write line notation. So this one. Bahay kubo kahit munti. So ito yung melodic contour. Yung tone, the tones of the melody of the music, if it is going up, down, or same, right? Go up, up, and then it becomes down, down, then same, and then down. Bahay, kubo, kahit munti. Okay, so this one is the example. The melodic contour is determined by connecting the dots. The dots represent the pitch ranges of the melody. You can also use your body to point out. Okay, so this one, high and low ranges of the melody. So melody also moves in different directions, and it can be shown through body movements. So this one is going up, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so up, down. So these are the melodic contours. Go up, down, or stay in the same place. So, the book get your own. Okay, the song that we're gonna learn in our music is Pen Pen de Sara Pen. Okay, Pen Pen de Sara Pen. Okay, if you don't know, you can hum first, and then after that we will play it again, and then you can sing now together with the lyrics. Okay. Kuchilili ang sen hang di karabaw di batuten sipit na mimilipit intot pilak na mo sa tabi ng dagat sayang pula tatlong pera sayang puti tatlong salapi sausaw sa suka mahuli taya sausaw sa suka mahuli taya pen pen di sara pen di kuchilili ang sen hang di karabaw di batuten sipit na mimilipit, kintot pilak na mahulak sa tabi ng dagat. Tatlo'y pera, sayang puti, tatlo'y salapi, susuka, mahuli taya. Susuka, mahuli taya. Okay, so this one is a Filipino song, okay? So let's sing again. Ito ay, this song is used dun sa game, okay? So, all of you, you're gonna put your hand sa floor, and then, while singing, you're gonna do pen, pen, disara, and then when, what's the last lyric? Mahuli taya, okay? Pag na last, then you will fold it, and then you're gonna start again. Pen, pen, disara, pen, and then the last one na finger na remaining, siya yung it, siya yung taya, okay? So this is the song that they are using dun sa game na yun. And we used to play this together with my friends nung elementary pa si Teacher Bell. Okay, let's sing. Kutsilyo di almasen, haw-haw di kalaba di batutin. Sipit na mimilipit, hintot pilak naman. Sa tabi ng dagat, sayang yung pula, tatlong pera. Sayang puti, tatlo'y salapi. Sausaw sa suka, mahuli taya. Sausaw sa suka, mahuli taya. Pen di sarap, pen di kutsilyo di almasen, haw. Kalamoy batutin. Sipit na mimilipit, kintot pilak naman. Sa tabi ng dagat. Okay. So now, please get your book and open it on page, ano nga page na yan? Page 45. Okay, so you're gonna complete the musical lines, match column B with the column A, and write only the letter of your answer on the answer line. So this one, aming ligaya ng pag may mang-aapi, blank. What is the next one? Kung gumiri parang tandang, lubi-lubi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, eko kamalayan, dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda. Okay? Aming ligaya ng pag may mang-aapi. What is the next one? What letter? Go. This song is Lupang Hinirang. Okay? Yung ating national na song. Next, number 2. Ang babae sa lansangan, blank. Ang babae sa lansangan, blank, blank, blank. Kung gumiri parang tandang, lubi-lubi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, eko kamalayan, dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda. Next, number 3. 10 mga daliri sa kamay at paa, blank. Kung gumiri parang tandang, B. Lubi-lubi, C. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, D. Eko kamalayan o dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda. Kung gumiri parang tandang. Okay, number 4. Enero, Pebrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, Setyembre, Oktubre, Nobyembre, Disyembre. Kung gumiri parang tandang, lubi-lubi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, eko kamalayan, dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda. Kung gumiri parang tandang, lubi-lubi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. So the last one is, mewalaya iti. Kung gumiri parang tandang, B. Lubi-lubi, C. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, D. Eko kamalayan, or E. Dalawang tenga, dalawang mata, ilong na maganda. Okay, so now please close before this is the lesson, okay? Reflection. How you feel every day is like melodic patterns. When things are good, you feel happy and your spirits are high. However, when things go wrong, you tend to feel sad and your spirits are down. These are normal happenings in life. Learn how to deal with changes in things and also how to handle your feelings. Okay, now let's proceed with our arts. So in life, contrast or opposites do not usually go together. They do not usually mix. But in design, the opposites or the contrast can go together. Using contrast, help enhance your design. So the picture below shows the contrast in sizes of lines and shapes. So this one, long, short, right? Thick and thin, big and small. Okay, and then contrast of shapes, different shapes. Now, let's go proceed to the color. Sorry, we have the related colors and contrasting colors. Related colors are those that lie next to each other in the color wheel. So for example, red and orange, they are next to each other. So they are related colors. But the contrasting colors are those that are on the opposite side, okay, of the color wheel. Example, the yellow, the opposite side is violet. So this one is contrasting colors. So another contrasting colors is green and red, okay? Another one is blue and orange. That one is contrasting colors. The related colors are green and yellow, yellow and orange, orange and red, red and violet, violet and blue and green. So they are the related colors. So now look at the following pictures of the wild animals. So as you can see, we have there the contrasting colors, sizes, and lines. Okay, so what animal is this? Can you please tell? Right, how about this one? Correct, this one. Yeah, this one? Yes, correct. This one? Correct. And the last one? Correct. Okay, so get your book and open it on page 156. I want you to, activity number 1, name 5 wild forest animals that are found in the Philippines. Go. 5 wild forest animals that are found in the Philippines. Okay, I'll give you one. Okay, activity number 2. Tell whether the color combination used in the following are related or contrasting. Right are if it is related, and C for contrasting. So black and white. Black and white. Related or contrasting. Number 2. Blue. Is it blue? I think red and blue. Yeah, red and blue. Red and blue. Look at our, is it related next to each other or contrast? Red and blue. Next, 157. Letter C. What color is that? Violet and red. Violet and red. Okay, look at our color wheel. Violet and red. C or related or contrast. Now letter D, green and violet. Green and violet. Green and violet. Next, letter E, green and red. Green and red. Look, green and red. Contrast or related. C or R. Now, this is your artwork, okay? Look at the design of the body of the butterfly in the drawing. You may add lines and shapes to the given design of its body and wings. Paint the body and wings with primary and secondary colors. Apply color harmony and contrast in the painting the butterfly. Okay? So, dapat merong makikitang contrast sa sizes and lines, and then also the colors. Okay? Primary and secondary colors. Okay? So, take a picture of pages for our assignment. Take a picture of page 400, pages 45, not 49. Okay, we did not do the 49. 45, 156, and 157, and send it to our class dojo. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you tomorrow. This is our last subject. Bye.